Hello friends, in this video we will see how to show data from web service in TableView in Shift. Here the load data button will load the data, call the function for web service and load data in TableView. Yeah, it web service method return the JSON object DOB fname lname and response is the main object name of JSON object. So load data in storyboard we connect it to load data function. Here you see we connected by control key to load data, and load data call the call service. Now we control the shift, we call the call service method. In call service we use set the URL constant by ns URL, the web service web location we assign to the URL, then create the ns URL request, print URL, and print method is work same as a ns log. Now ns URL connection, connection object let you load the content of a URL by providing the URL request object. In this way, this method will work in the background or asynchronously, so UI will not block. We send for this, we first check the shift version. The shift version of this system is shift version 2.2. so if your PC shift version is changed, it may not be work for you. We send asynchronous request, load the order data for request, execute and handle block operation queue. This pass the request ns operation main queue and completion header. ns operation queue requires request of the execution of setup ns operation. This is the main queue, the completion header, the ns request, ns data, return the void if data length greater than 0, error equal to nil. Then we response object, and response object we use the try block because ns JSON serialization.json object with data throw the exception, so we need to add try to this code, and we pass the data written by web service and option ns JSON reading option. So JSON data stored in response object, we print the response. Here you see in output log response code 200 and of JSON objects, and print the number of item in response tag. Here this one account is 5. Now we add it to this response object to student array. S2 array is mutable array. Declare globally is it is blank at this time. Now we add object to S2 array. The index of I added. Now reload the data table view. This is the 5 object. Now let's see how table view show it. For this we add the table view to the view and we link to the shift file by control button, drag to shift file. So this table data we will reload whenever response come, or click on load data. We connect the data source and delegate to view controller. Now we shall add the table cell to in table view. In storyboard table cell also added to the table view. The table cell have the name, and we first specify the identifier table cell, student table cell, and the class of the table cell will connect. Here we declare that student table cell class in view controller.shift, which extend the view table cell, and we drag the control of IB outlet or IB action to the student table cell. And in this video we will not going to use the edit button, only name. Now in view controller is the table view, and this is the table cell, view table cell, name label, and these are the for need to be extend the table data source and UI table view delegate. These are two methods need to be extended: UI table data source and UI table delegate. For this we need to add the two method. Table view number of rows in section table view cell for row at index bar. We need to check for current shift version. For this, add by this macro to problems. Let cell table view dequeue reusable tail cell with identifier. The cell identifier student table cell for index path edge student table cell. Student table cell. These are the class built written. Now cell dot name label dot text is equal to student array index row path value for key. We load the fname as string. This will show the name to the table view. Thanks.